Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how you can convert any written or printed word or text into editable word or text so that you can edit the words later on. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First of all, you need to go to the Play Store. So in the Play Store, you need to search for one application named as OCR Text Scanner Pro. There is two variants. One is a paid variant and one is the free variant. So it depends upon you. If you don't want to purchase directly, then you can use the free version. So as I've already installed this application, so I'm not going to install it again. So you install it, and once installation is done, click open. So opening the application for the first time, you can see its user interface. So below you can see here is a gallery icon. So when you tap this icon, it will go to your phone gallery or the photo file manager applications. And below you can see a camera, which is mainly used to scan the printed or the written words or text, and later on it will convert to the editable words or text. So let's find out how we can do it. So you don't skip this video and watch the video till the end. So here is one book I brought. So let me show you by bringing you near, so you can see what's written on it. So what I will do is I'll try to focus some portion of this text, and I will try to show you how it works. So just tap on this camera button and select the primary camera, and we'll select some words from here, as you can see. So once you have captures, click on this tick mark icon, and you can even crop these words by dragging this one. And if you need to full page, then you can select the enter page, but right now I'm selecting only this portion. Once done, grab image text. So wait for a few seconds. So voila, it has extracted everything that you have just captured right now. So you can see exactly what's written here. So you may not believe that it works accurately, almost 95%. So in most of time it works accurately and captures almost all the words that is being printed or written in the textbook or any copies. So you can see here what's written. Tim Reynolds 43, it was amazing how consumed they were with the clock after only 5 days on the job. So we'll see whether everything is written or not. Tim Reynolds 43, it was amazing how consumed that they were with the clock after only 5 days on the job. So it accurately works, but you won't find, most probably there is no full stop. So little bit there is some missings, but definitely it works up to the 95%, I can guarantee you, and it works much better than any other OCR text scanner out there in the Google Play Store. So try it out by yourself, and it will help you in day-to-day life uses, and it will make your work more easy and quicker to complete your typing of words and copying your words from any books or from the copies itself. So try it out by yourself, and this is very useful for students or mainly for the business peoples also, or any other common peoples too, who love to note down or take down the written notes. So you download it today and try it out by yourself. And if you find any difficulty using this application, so leave your comments below. I will try my best to help you and guide you how to use it properly. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.